Today's snack spotlight introduces creamy avocado cottage cheese cups with lime and a hint of chili for a protein-rich treat. Ingredients include 1 ripe avocado mashed, 1 cup cottage cheese, lime juice, cucumber dice, chili flakes, and cilantro. Mix the avocado with cottage cheese, add lime, fold in cucumber and cilantro, then finish with a gentle chili spark. Serve in small cups with whole grain crackers for fiber or veggie sticks for crunch. Variations: swap dairy for dairy-free yogurts, switch cilantro for basil, and add paprika or cumin for different flavors.